farming solutions with AI enabling agricultural carbon markets by Azolla Projects and Omdena. So, according to our resources, the regenerative farming practices can save a lot of CO2 emissions. We try to address agricultural carbon markets by displaying different ground measurements and demonstrate the relevance of the SOC in Spain. We did this great project in about 10 weeks with a lot of efforts. So our solution was a data visualization dashboard that functioned as a tool to analyze and develop pathways to predict SOC.
This is the homepage of the project of our dashboard. And this basically describes the problem statement. The timeline page will describe the weekly distribution of all the tasks that we had accomplished. And now finally coming to the main dashboard, we can see that this data basically distinguishes the CO2 values or SOC values between 2009 and 15, along with the climate data as well. Here you can also see the differentiation through the help of a map. Each provinces and communities are divided based on the amount of SOC values. We can also differentiate based on the communities and provinces. The major amount of SOC is accounted for the grassland and shrub cover, as you can see here. Then moving down, you can compare the organic carbon and the other soil chemical properties. Coming to the land cover and land use page, this will describe us what kind of regenerative farming practices are to be utilized to increase the amount of the SOC value, and respective graph for the communities and the use of the land can be compared here and can be seen here. And this one will also describe what kind of soil soil type is used for the cultivation of each type of crop. And the differentiation can also be visualized for the year of 2009 and 15. So coming on to the next topic here, we are also able to see the crop residue and the organic carbon change here. And as you can see, as the amount of the crop residue increases, there is also a good amount of organic carbon sequestration in the soil. We also explored the predictive model analysis. There were so many methods to pick from, but the most important method that we found was ROTC model, which actually doesn't involve much with the machine learning. It has other other algorithms that are used to find the soil carbon sequestration. So that was under development during the time of this project and was one of the main goals of this project as well. Coming to the conclusion, we have seen that during the dashboard visualization, there is definitely impact of the regenerative farming practices. So when applied, soil carbon sequestration increases in the soil, and the time period varies based on the application of the practices. And the last page will describe the team that has collaborated to bring on the successful completion of this project. Thank you.